Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. It's been a while since I've made a video on this channel, but today here I'm going to show you how to claim Blume Airdrop, okay? All what you need to have is Telegram and you will be doing everything in there, okay? So first, click on the link in the description. It's a referral link. It will automatically take you to Telegram. After it takes you there, click join and this will open here like a DM. And as I mentioned before, everything can be done on Telegram. As I mentioned here below, you can see Launch Bloom. There is this built-in on Telegram. So this is the amount that I've got. So for anyone that just gets in by doing a lot of tasks that are in this here, you will be getting around 9,000 to 10,000 BP. All right. Like there is this game that you can play and claim or collect these green things. And if you check in every day, you'll be getting the tickets to play the game and maximize on earning the points of this bloom, okay, as well as farming. And if you want 10% extra, just go to tribes and join a tribe, okay? Now let's go to what you'll be doing when you get to this. So at the beginning, you will not find this. It will automatically be just these here, okay, below. So first, as you can see, we are in new section and you'll find anything that is new as a task that you will be claiming the BP from, okay? So as you can see, there are a lot of videos in here which will show at the first time. I will go to here just to show you what you'll be seeing. So you'll be seeing a button like start here instead of this check mark because I've collected all of these, okay? So you'll click start. For example, for this video, it will take you to YouTube video. You will watch the video. You'll find a keyword on that video. So when you come back, you will find verify button. You click on it and you put in the keyword in there so they can verify that you've watched the video. Some videos don't have this option. You can just go watch the video and come back and you will see a claim button, as well as for the other tasks, like as you can see here, X task that you can just go, and when you come back after doing what they've told you, you claim your points, okay? So then just go to socials and do that with this social media stuff like X, and you can follow and join groups. Whenever you click start, as well as I mentioned before, it will automatically take you to there and come back and click claim, okay? After that, go to academy. Here you'll find a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of BP points, as you can see. The same applies for these. You just click on start, it takes you to the video, watch the video and see the keyword. Sometimes some keywords doesn't work. Just go to YouTube or Google and type in the Bloom keyword for that video and you'll find it, okay? And come back and claim it, okay? Here, as for some tasks, if you're doing referrals and inviting your friends, you can see you can claim some. And for farming, if you farmed up to some points, you will be getting some extra points on them, okay? So here on chain, it's asking you to connect Tone wallet. You don't need to go or download any wallet or any app. Just go to wallet here. By the way, as you can see, the app is a bit laggy and buggy sometimes. So if it's doing this, just wait for it. Or if it's doing the most, just get out of it and come back at the same time. So here you can, for the first time you get into wallet, you will find that you can open a Telegram wallet, crypto wallet. You can open it automatically. It's really simple and easy, and it gives you to connect it to Tone wallet. As you do that, it's pretty simple and fast. Just come back here to earn. Here, as I told you, you can just click wait, as you see, and then come back to earn and go to on chain and click connect here or start. I don't remember the exact term, and it will be checked and gives you the button to claim, okay? So after you've done this, you got all of these that I've told you, farming and playing the game, as well as this here, the check. If you check their social media, you can do that and get to claim this stuff again, okay? For this here, as you can see, I haven't got any money on the wallet, so I can do a transaction, so I can get or claim this 1000 VP, unfortunately. So I've stopped in there. And there is also friends. If you want to invite friends of yours. And as you can see here, this friend here I've invited, they have already claimed 10,000 or almost 11,000. So you can do that as click invite a friend in here, and you will get your own QR code to send to someone or copy link and then share it with your friends. So it's pretty easy as I mentioned, and that's it.